Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please feel free to join the family, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you always know each time I upload a new video. On today's video, we are preparing okra gel for hair growth. You can use it to style your hair, you can use it to detangle your hair. On this video, I use it for hair detangling. And this is the method for preparing okra gel. First, you have to wash the okra and cut it into pieces. I cut this okra into smaller pieces because smaller pieces can give you a huge amount of gel than when you cut it in a bigger size. And I also want to use this okra to cook something after extracting the gel from it, so that's why I cut it into smaller pieces. After cutting the okra, add water in a pot. Depending on the quantity of okra that you are using, there's no particular measurement for the water that you're supposed to use for making this okra gel, but it depends on the quantity of okra that you're using. Okay, so add water in a pot, put the pot on a heat, then start preparing the okra gel. Next step, add the sliced okra inside the pot. Then close the pot and leave it to boil for 10 minutes. Please, while you are waiting for the okra to boil for 10 minutes, stir the okra with a spoon every 2 to 3 minutes. This will also help you to get out the gels from the okra while it's boiling. Okra contains vitamin A, C and K, and it has calcium and potassium and lots of other nutrients which are great for hair growth. Okra gel moisturizes dry scalp and also get rid of dandruff. So it's very important that you use this okra gel twice or 3 times in a month for a healthy hair growth. There are so many different ways to use this okra gel on your hair. You can use it as a detangler to detangle your hair. You can use it to style your hair, style it into puff hair. You can use it for hair conditioner, leave-in conditioner. You can use it in so many ways. Anyhow that you want to use this okra gel, it will work perfectly for you on your hair. Now our okra gel is ready, and get a sieve and separate the gel out of the seed. Then turn the gel into a container that can help you to apply the gel easily on your hair. Another thing that I would like you to know is that applying okra gel on your hair isn't that easy because it's kind of slippery. So be careful not to mess up the floor while applying it on your hair. Some do wash it out after applying it on their hair. They will leave it for 1 hour, 30 minutes and wash it out. Me, I don't wash out okra gel immediately, like the same day that I apply it on my hair. I used to leave it like 2 days before I can wash it out and apply a new one if I still have leftover from the one I prepared. Besides, okra gel does not have any bad smell, so you can leave it on your hair as long as you want to leave it. Right now, I'm applying it on my whole hair. I want to make sure that it touches the whole of my hair. Then I will start detangling my hair one after the other. So guys, this is how to prepare okra gel. It's so simple, just 10 minutes. Your okra gel is ready to extract. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and drop your comment on the comment section. What do you think about this okra gel? Have you used it before? If you haven't used it, do you think it's something that you can try on your natural hair? Please drop your comment on the comment section. See you on my next video. Bye.